Quick overview and introduce highlight features of MAXTOOLS, TJ2000, trolley jack, 2-ton load capacity, double piston, nylon wheels and rubber plate. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The equipment of a modern workshop includes not only modern and safe lifting equipment to comply with safety regulations, but also to enable the work to be carried out faster, more efficiently and more profitably. When designing and developing all products in the hydraulic line, the fulfillment of user needs was the first priority. Whether mechanical workshop or body construction, these products meet virtually all requirements of the area, light and heavy. Thanks to its modern conception, the 2-ton jack is extremely lightweight. It also features a new double piston system that allows the jack to quickly rises up to the underground. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.